a day? Can you give us an approximate number? Ilan po yung nagfa-facilitate ng release?
Alam ko po, nagbigay rin si Senator Lacson ng kanyang sariling flowchart. So, based doon, parang basta sobrang dami namin, siguro mga 500 containers sa mga ganun niya. Ang nakikita ko sa base sa kanyang nilabas na report sa isang linggo. Parang,
And of course, Mr. Taguba, you will agree with me if I would say that the Philippine government is losing a lot of money because of this green lane, because it deprives the government the opportunity to assess correctly the shipment or importation.
yes, Your Honor.
Tama?
Yes.
Mr. Chair, I know that I have manifested this concern before during our, I believe, hearing on dangerous drugs committee, but I wish to reiterate